for 2C, they're wanting you to write down the anode, the half reactions that occur at the cathode and the anode, and the net reaction. And what they're doing is they're they're removing water by giving you molten substances. So your reactants are for number 2C, we've got molten aluminum nitride. So we've got aluminum ions, and these are molten, so they're liquid, and nitrogen ions. So the cathode, I'm going to be seeing electrons added in a reduction half reaction. So this is adding electrons, 3 electrons to make aluminum solid, and this is going to be oxidized at the spell here, at the anode. Oxidized is going to be losing electrons because we have 3 electrons too many here. Now, you got to be careful that you're going to end up with nitrogen gas, and so when we write this, I'm going to be writing it as there's 2 nitrogen, because N2 is the elemental formula for nitrogen. So this is going to lose a total of 6 electrons, and we'll end drawing arrows here, and I get nitrogen gas. So my net equation then for this, I have to multiply the top one by 2, so the electrons lost equals the electrons gained, so I get 2 aluminum ions and 2 nitrogen ions. I get 2 aluminum and nitrogen gas. And just for clarity, I haven't written in the phases. You should. Now, okay, you might be thinking, well, I can see that this is a half reaction that's in the data book, but I don't see this one in the data book, and you'd be right. We're making an assumption that because we only have 2 substances, we are making the assumption that these are going to react in a redox manner, where electrons will be lost and electrons gained. We can see that if we have a negative ion, that could give up electrons, and the positive ion could receive the electrons. And so this is the net equation that we'll be looking at.